Hello everyone, thank you for tuning into Channel 17, 7 o'clock Health Special. Tonight I am joined here with Dr. Rolando Fernandez from PUGS, the Pseudo University of Genetics study. Thank you for joining me, Rolando.
Thank you for having me. I'm very excited to share this useful information to all you guys.
Tonight we will be talking about the genetic disorder named Cri-du-Chat, which is also called CDCS or 5P syndrome. CDCS is a genetic disorder that is diagnosed at birth and is distinguished by a cat-like cry that affected infants usually make.
That's right. Translated from French, this disorder is called the cry of the cat, and it is the result of a random gene deletion on the short arm, P-arm, of the 5th chromosome. The disorder occurs in infants before the child is born. This disorder affects between 0.00005% to 0.00002% of births around the world per year according to the USNLM.
Possible indicators of this disorder can be, but are not limited to, the cat-like whine due to the larynx of the child being affected during development, abnormal growth of the head and other body parts, delayed mental development, hypotonia, which is poor muscle growth, and around 1/4 of infants affected with this disease can experience heart problems at birth, which can be fatal to the newly born infants, according to the National Organization for Rare Diseases. Go.
The diagnosis of the disorder is usually by hearing the cry that the infant makes. After all, it is a defining characteristic of the disorder. However, any doctor may ask to run a chromosome test, and if the child lacks the P-arm chromosome 5, then the child has CDCS.
If the infant has CDCS, it is usually because of a random deletion during the formation of the gametes from the parents, rather than the child inheriting it from the parents themselves. This can lead to the various symptoms stated before, and treatment for this disorder is scarce. Treatments can include, but are not limited to, therapy, special education, speech therapy, motor therapy, etc. The child will be monitored through most of their life and will have to attend therapy sessions to try to relieve some of their symptoms.
If the infant has CDCS, multiple organ systems are affected such as circulatory, skeletal, and muscular system, but mainly Cri-du-Chat affects the child's nervous system.
Go.
The human body's nervous system is made up of the main central nervous system and outer peripheral nervous system, and the organ system that controls the body's senses and makes the body move. The central nervous system contains the brain and spinal cord and processes and outputs information, while the peripheral nervous system contains the nerves everywhere else in your body and is used to take in sensory information.
CDCS affects the nervous system by harming the neurological development of the child's brain. Patients with this disorder lack the somatoform F and delta-catenin genes found in normal children, according to the U.S. National Library of Medicine. These genes are needed for healthy development of the brain's neurons and axonal guidance, and the lack of these genes is due to the infant's missing short arm on the 5th chromosome, or the P-arm, which stunts the child's neural development.
Although the brain is affected, treatments such as special education can help the child's nervous system during the development, since there is no definite cure. Special education of these children help these children make the neural connections they had to live a healthy life. Although it is very time consuming, by giving the children education based on their disorder, they are able to deliver the education more efficiently and help the child learn basic motor, language, and social skills.
Go.
That's all from me today. Thank you for having me on this great newscast. See you later.
Thank you, Rolando. I couldn't have said it any better myself. And everybody watching, thank you for being on, and tune in tomorrow for more health and medicine information.